Hey Dawn, this is Angela, and my team just finished washing your RESPECT. I wanted to show you the progress and just give you some information on what some recommendations are. So this is the back. Looks great and full, and it's not an issue of curliness. The curls are there, but what I did see is that the closure area, the part with the lace, which is the most delicate area of um, any ventilated wig, is getting bald. That is completely common during the life of a wig. This is the area that does the shedding and balding. This is the part of the wig that has individual strands of hair hooked into lace, and that's what gives it a scalp-like look. And so it's very delicate, and so it's very common that over time a closure or frontal will shed in this way. So she's showing her age a little bit, but never fear. There are three things actually, that we could do. You could leave it like this, and when you see her again, she will be conditioned and curl cream and looking great, but she won't be as full as she used to be when you first got her. So I can either replace the closure, which I think is overkill, and it's going to be the most expensive option. And the third thing is that I can just get maybe a half bundle of hair. I will color it to match, and then I will stitch it into this closure area. Because it's a curly wig and it's going to be very full, the tracks will not show at all, so don't be concerned about that. But I think that is the best option. It's the least expensive option to get it nice and full. The curls will look more like this, okay? Since this part is thin, that's the only reason why you're not seeing those thick curls. So I will add those types of curls into this area, and I think that will make it fabulous and exactly what you want to see. All right, so I'll give you some details in the email. Thank you. Okay, she's all done. This is the wig that I showed you earlier. A client sent in to have a maintenance done on it, and we realized that there was a lot of balding in the closure area. This wig is over 3 years old, by the way, and so I gave her some options, and one was to add hair in to match the wig, so color to match the existing wig, and to add it in, to add tracks into the closure area to give this wig many more years of life. So this is the after, and I want to show you just a close-up here. You don't see any balding happening. Okay, and the color is perfectly matched to her wig. Okay, bouncy bouncy. And I'll show you the inside, just very neatly done. Oops, I'm using one. Okay, that's a closure with a lining on it. This is one of our original wigs, but again, very neatly sewn in. We also added a removable band, elastic band to it, and the cap had gotten pretty stretched out over the years. Elastic does that. So we also resized the cap to fit her head. So we made it smaller. Okay, so at Rhythm Wigs, we create, we cut, we color, and we care for wigs.